laughing, crying laughing emoji. I'm the cracking emoji. Vote for me. The laughing crying emoji.
So there I was, sitting among the gods, laughing at other people's misfortune, when suddenly I heard this huge bang. What spastic cunt interrupted my laughing at other people being hurt session? Nobody interrupts that shit.
How many fucking times do I have to smash this door before it opens? One more time should do it.
Wow, sure is a nice night tonight. I hope nothing ruins it.
Doodle Z, you are under arrest for manslaughter. You caused a 13-year-old furry to commit suicide.
Oh dear, how very sorry I am. Before I go to jail, I am going to tell my best friend he won't see me for a while.
You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary on the boss tonight.
Holy shit, my nigga Noodle Z is getting swatted. I need to go help him.
Welcome to Vanessa Loves Birds. Glad you made it, faggot. This channel is the epitome of gay. Seriously, what was God thinking when he made this person? Oh, that's right. He was probably high. Nature creates humans to advance the human race. Am I right? This human provides nothing to society and therefore should be hanged. Hanged in my back garden. I love waking up to the sight of a hanging person, especially if it is someone I don't like. Lol. I guess we should watch a clip of her autism now. Prepare your tight prepubes and anus.
This day can't get any goddamn worse. Oh, fuck.
This unidentified specimen looks dangerously close to me.
Donna!
Well, hello, George.
I haven't seen you in 50 years.